欢迎来到客服 YouTube 频道。Good everyone, welcome back to Leum YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a 3D geometry in Adobe Illustrator. For the highlight is next topic, I will show you the following. Okay, let me see. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a 3D geometry in Adobe Illustrator. It seems to be like a flower. Look like this. That is highlight preview in the tutorial. So before we are going to watch for the next together, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and this button. You will receive notification whenever I have been upload the video clips and or tutorial into Leum YouTube channel. Okay, let me see. Next, okay, let's go. Go to open the Adobe Illustrator. Next, click new. Select. Write out name. 3D here, 3D geometry. Okay, put down, crease. Okay, first go to stroke selection here and layers. Go to eraser right down here. BG backer. Okay. Go to the select color black. Here and next go to the rectangle tool here to top left corner and to bottom right corner. Okay, put down here, select for the next, go to the layer and lock here and grease this layer here, right up 3D geometry. Okay, now select here. For the first perfect, right now we have been created a break already. For the next step, we will make a 3D geometry. Okay, by using blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. Yeah. Okay, select go to the color, select none, and for the next stroke, select raise one. Cool. For next step, go to the tool. In this case, select the start tool and put down point x point 10 point the problem up to you. Okay, push down. Okay. Next step, it make the score bigger here. Okay, perfect. Next, select and go to the direction tool, selection tool here, and go to the corner and drag down. It seems to be like looks like this. Okay, nice. Select. Next step, go to the gradient here and select gradient slider. Okay. First step, select raise one. For the next step, select black one or any color. Okay, up to you. It is up to you. And drag and adjust. Looks like this. Okay, perfect. Right now, sorry. Go to appearance again and strokes. Sorry. Strokes. Select radiant gradient. Yeah. Radius gradients. Yeah. Select this one. Okay. Select. Oh, sorry. Blacks on the left and reds on the right. Okay. Similar looks like this. Okay. Perfect right now. Okay. For the next steps, select and go to the edit, copy, go to the edit, paste in place here. After that, hold shift alternate and score is bigger here. Perfect right now. So select the second one and go to the edit and copy, go to edit, paste in place again here. Select and make the score bigger. Nice. Okay, right now we have finished for the first step already. For the next, select the second and go to the gradients, move left from right to left and direction. Simplify erase once we can see erase. Okay, select now. Okay. So next step, select all and go to the objects. Come to the blend and select the blend option. Okay. This case select the specific steps 25 or 24. Okay, example 25. Okay. Next, go to objects again and come to the blend mix right now. Blend mix right now. Okay, so almost perfect. Okay. For the first pass. First press. Okay, adjust first. Okay, no problem. Right now. First step we have finished. For the next step, we select for all of the objects, and this is go to the face, come to the detach and transform, and scroll down, select the 6 axis. So that is 10.5. Okay. Okay. Export 50, 14. Smooth, select the smooth, that select, okay. Okay. So next is go to the effect again, and this case go to the task and go to the bucket and burst. Yeah. This is 50, 90, 80, no problem. Okay, you can select all. Nice. Okay. So next steps, go to appearance and select burger and brush and move to the top of the zigzag here. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. Almost finished. So for the next stage, double click here. So changing the color, strokes, select strokes, become red. Okay. Now you can see for the second rows become any color. Okay, up to you. This color. This selects the first steps. Selects the. Okay. Okay, raise now. Perfect. Okay, if you can see the each of the object is 25, so we can go to the appearance. Go to the blends tool again. You can change from 25 to example 30 or 40 step. Okay, simple. Okay, 40. No. 80. Example. Okay, perfect. Nice. Easy doing. Perfect right now. Easy doing. yeah. Okay, I hope that this tutorial is useful for you. Finally, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the button. You will receive the notification whenever I have been uploaded the tutorial in Leum YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching. 谢谢，拜拜，再见。